So we have a plane parallel to vector B and vector C. So let's say this is the plane, and let's say we have vector C and vector B along the given two lines. Okay, now let's say we have a point A. So the plane is passing through A. Position vector of A would be this is equal to, let's say, A. Now P is any point on the plane. So let's take any point P. Now let's move these vectors so that we can play around with it. So this is C, this is B, and this is P. So now AP would be OP, this is O, OP minus OA, which is R minus, let's say this is R. Now remember, plane is parallel to both B and C, right? Let's cross product this, right? So that is B cross C will give us a perpendicular to the plane. So B cross C is perpendicular to the plane. Therefore, AP is perpendicular to B cross C. Now why we wanted this perpendicular is because dot product of two vectors perpendicular to each other is 0. Remember, B cross C is one vector. Its resultant is a vector which is perpendicular to AP. So this implies AP dot B cross C is equal to 0. Dot product of two vectors is two perpendicular vectors is 0. Now here it may look as if there are three vectors, but actually there are only two vectors. One is AP and the other is the result of B cross C. Okay, now AP is nothing but R minus A, and this we can write it as R minus A, B and C. So this is the equation to the plane passing through a point and parallel to two given lines. Now the same thing if we want it in Cartesian form. So just take this equation for each one of these vectors, convert it into Cartesian form. Zk A is equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k. R minus A would be equal to x minus x1i plus y minus y1j plus z minus z1k. B would be, let's say, b1i plus b2j plus b3k, and C is equal to c1i plus c2j plus c3k. So now let's put it in this equation, R minus A, B and C. Remember, this is the triple product, and this can be written as one of the properties of the triple product: x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. So this is the equation in Cartesian form. So that is the equation to the plane passing through a point and parallel to two given lines. That's it. Bye for now.